I've just recently decided to start taking part in the PGCEi program offered by Nottingham University.
I'm supposedly in the process of teaching English. This is why I came here to attend the PGCE.
I have been seeking for opportunities in teaching, and to more enhance my teaching, I have decided to do to PGCEi.
Started working as a teacher September 2018. I never expected myself to be in this career, but I found myself loving it so much that I decided to take this qualification to develop me as a better teacher.
The tutors are very helpful, very welcoming.
My lecturer that's busy helping me at the moment, Alan, has actually really opened my eyes to the course and given me a different perspective of what the PGCEi is actually about and how it can better me as a teacher.
My tutor is Alison, and she is really very great and good, and she used to teach everything very, very clearly.
I must say I'm really intrigued and impressed by the way that they've handled their communication and the things that we are learning here today.
The guidance are being so simple and step by step.
I've done my research and I found that the best university that takes that course is University of Nottingham.
This program is very flexible because it actually gave me the chance to pursue this career in education, even though I still did not acquire a full-time teaching job. I'm still a volunteer, so this gives me the chance to do what I want until I'm able to actually get or attain a full-time job.
I'm loving the workshop. It's more than I expected it to be.
Induction is very organized. Everything is basically in time, and everyone is always here to help.
I got a very friendly environment. I get to acknowledged by the different curriculums and different ideas of the curriculum and what next I can approach for my career, and that will be really great for me.
Stafford has done more than an amazing job to help me to enroll as one of University of Nottingham's students, and they made it as easy as possible to register and pay for the fees and to be here today in the workshop.
I'm really impressed with the coordinating from the guys that are helping me with registration, paying my student fees. They are applying as soon as possible, and I'm really impressed with regards to that.
Stafford Global is definitely a very good choice when it comes to students wanting or needing any kind of help in registration or communicating with the university itself. They just make it easier. The process is much easier.